Hello, another question with another failure. Someone just asked me that he failed his test but not cancelling the indicator. What happened is basically, so examiner asked the guy to take second exit from the roundabout. So when he took the second exit, he given left indicator and the indicator, he kept the indicator on because he thought the auto cancellation will take it off itself, but it didn't happen. So after 2-3 seconds, examiner told him that you need to cancel your signal. So he canceled his signal. At the end, he failed the test and he's telling me that nobody was around him. So why examiner failed him? I asked him, are you sure? Are you 100% sure that nobody was around you? Because if you forgot to cancel the left indicator, that means you are not 100% sure somebody was around you or not. And on top of that, was there any turning coming ahead? He said, yeah, there was some turnings coming ahead as well. Okay, so that's why examiner failed you, because you are misguiding the people by giving left indicator. Because once your junction is done, once your roundabout is done, after that you should cancel it. Don't believe on auto cancellation. Sometimes auto cancellation works, sometimes it doesn't work. So how long it takes you to cancel your indicator? Okay, so when you give indicator, make sure once that job is done, cancel it. Okay, cancel that. Don't always believe that it's gonna cancel itself. That's how you fail the test. Just one serious mistake and you fail the test. Yes, it could be different way if there was nobody around, okay, and there was no turning coming up. Examiner might let you off. They might give you minor fault for that. But again, it examiner discretion. Make sure whenever you give indicator, make sure put that off as well. Hope I answered the question. Thank you very much.